Hello and welcome to the first edition of RVC. Today we're going to be installing this, which is a tune pipe for my 1/5 scale 30cc FS Racing Buggy. First off, we're going to release the two roll cage mounts at the back. Just pull them out to give us nice access. Then we're just going to release the two bolts in here. I've already pre-loosened these to make this bit a little bit quicker. So we'll just unscrew that. And that just pops off. Dead easy. It takes a little bit longer than that, obviously I've pre-done that. So now we're going to mount this. First off, we're going to make sure it all positions up nicely, which it does. Cool. On the back bit down here you've got an exhaust support, which we're going to install first. So you get a little nut and bolt and a washer. So we're going to take that bit. Just the bolt through the bottom and take the washer, place it on top, and then the bolt. Again, we're just going to finger tighten this into place so we've got a bit more movement to make sure everything fits nicely together. There we go. Now we'll just hold that. Cool, that's nicely in. So then we're going to take our new gasket, our two manifold bolts, and we'll slide that through there and through that one. I'm just going to drop these over the top there, and doesn't want to be a pain, do that one. So just line those up, then just lock them into place. Let's get them locked in. There we go. Then we'll just tighten this one up a little bit more. Oops, sorry. And there we go, that's pretty much it. So let's put our support in there, and that one in there. And how much better does that look? The only issue I have got with it is you have to install it with the shell on. So you have to do any work under the shell, you are going to have to remove the exhaust. So when I come to install the 4-wheel drive kit, all this will be coming back off. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the episode. If you liked us, please subscribe, and if you found this video helpful, take the thumbs up button. Thanks guys, bye.